faster, you guys. We gotta hurry. Dad. We gotta lose them. Oh, gosh. Did we lose him, Spy Ninjas? Don't be afraid, because the signal booster that I have is actually a decoy. PZ4 and Daniel has the real one. So our mission right now is to trick the hacker and get away from them. Okay, so I'm gonna need your help, Spy Ninjas. If you see the hacker anywhere, let me know in the comments below. I think he's looking for me, but he's a little too close for comfort right now. So let's get away from him. Where is he? Wait, he's right there. Right there. Oh gosh, what's he doing? Let's zoom in, you guys. He's using his phone. He's tracking me because I have that fake decoy, and he's looking at his tracking like a GPS signal, and he's looking for me. All right, guys, there he is. He's using his phone right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yes! There's a force straight ahead! I can lose him much easier this time! Ah! Oh gosh. Okay. I can hear him, Shh. He's still using this tracker. Oh gosh. No. Shoot. That's where I was. I was right over there. I'm gonna crawl through this big fallen tree right here. I think I'm safe here for a little while at least. He's right there. Gosh, is he coming this way? Maybe the GPS has a lag or something, because he was exactly at the place that I was at. He's probably coming here right now, so we need to move. Let's go! Oh gosh, there's like a big hill up there. It's really rocky, and there's a bunch of dead trees over here. Oh gosh, which way should I go? I don't even know where the hacker is. He's probably right behind me. That might take a while. I think I'm just gonna hide behind these dead trees here. Yeah, okay. All right, guys, I'm hoping that maybe just hiding behind some of these trees might block some of his signal. Like walls, trees, nature usually like interfere with the GPS signal or like your cell phone signal. There he is. Haha, he fell for my trap. Let's see, just keep going up that mountain, hacker. Wait, did you guys see him? Where'd he go? Wait, where is he? I don't see him anywhere. What the heck? He totally went up this way. I totally saw that hacker went up this way. He was falling for my trap, and now he just disappeared. Oh gosh, where is he? Did he do a PZ4 trick and just disappear? Okay, it's gonna get really tricky and really hard if I can't see the hacker. All right, keep an eye out for that hacker. I don't know where he is. Oh, my phone's ringing. Maybe it's Chad. Okay, let's see.
Greetings, Qwaint.
It's the hacker. Oh my gosh.
Yes, it is I, PZ301, and I am back for my vengeance.
301, I recognize you. 301, that's the guy that knocked me out. He drank 78X and got like super strong. He would never been able to knock me out without the 78X. So this guy, man, we have a history.
I'm tired of chasing you around, Qwaint. However, I know I will get that signal booster from you, whether you like it or not.
You're not gonna get me.
I'll give you two options here, Qwaint.
No, I don't want any options.
You either surrender the signal booster to me, or I will start hacking your YouTube channel for every minute you do not return it to me.
You're gonna hack my YouTube channel? How are you gonna do that? It's highly encrypted. Good luck trying to catch me. You probably don't even know where I am right now. That's why you're calling me. Oh shoot. Maybe this is a trick. Maybe he's hacking into my phone right now to use my GPS system. Oh crap, you guys, did I fall for another trick? Let's go, let's move. I actually don't know where PZ301 is. I have actually a huge dilemma right now. I actually have the decoy signal booster, so if I give it up to him, he might find out that it's the fake one, and then Chad and Daniel and PZ4 will be in trouble. So I don't know what to do, but again, I don't want him to hack my YouTube channel. I mean, not a lot of hackers have been able to do that, but this is 301. I mean, he defeated me in a battle royale before, so this guy is no joke. I don't know what to do. Do I give up the fake signal booster? Or do I just try to outrun him? But every minute that goes by, he's gonna hack my channel. Gosh, what do I do? Leave a comment below. Oh, jeez. What is that? Is that a swing? Or is this some kind of weird trap? I don't like the look of this. Let's get out of here. Oh gosh, I feel like I'm out in the open. I need to hide. Wait. Is that it? No. Where is he? Oh, there he is. He is really following his tracker on his phone because I was just there. So that means if he was there exactly where I was, he's gonna come here soon. I'm gonna sneak away.
Alright, Qwaint. I know that you're around here somewhere. Technology doesn't lie, and you shouldn't either. Where are you, Qwaint?
Okay, down here. Look at these tree trunks right here. These are really good hiding spots. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm hiding underneath this log right now. I'm gonna actually go under it some more. Shh, I think I hear some footsteps.
My technology is telling me that the signal booster is right here. Where can you be hiding, Qwaint? Sneaky little ninja.
Okay guys, that was really close. He's threatening me that he's gonna hack my YouTube channel. I'm not sure how he's gonna do that because all he has on him is that phone and he's using that to track me. And you need high-tech equipment to be able to hack into YouTube. So I don't know what he's doing. Give this video a big thumbs up right now and give me good luck so I can defeat this PC hacker once and for all. He's walking along. Look at him. Oh, he's just standing there. Should I just do it right now, guys? Should I just go over there? Challenge him to a battle royale? Okay guys, it's actually kind of strange. He's not looking for me and he's just sitting there. He's on his phone. Doesn't really seem like he's using his phone to track me anymore. Is he hacking into my YouTube channel right now? Let's have a closer look. Alright guys, I have a plan. Since he's just sitting there, I'm not quite sure what he's doing. I'm gonna try and get his phone away from him. I have my spy ninja notebook with me here. I'm gonna write him a letter and tell him that I'm gonna give him the signal booster because I don't want him hacking into my YouTube. I don't know how he's doing that, but I'll tell him to meet me at a secret location and I'm gonna sneakily use my spy ninja skills and grab that phone from him. PZ301, meet me by the swings. And once he gets there, I'm gonna stop him. I'll leave this on this tree bark for him to see. How come he's just sitting there? I'm just gonna try and distract him with a rock. So he'll come over here, see this note, and then he'll fall for my trap. I'm gonna look for a rock. It's a big, huge, giant one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Approaching. Oh gosh. Okay, he's falling for it. He's looking around. Let's see. Oh, he found my note. He found my note, you guys. Let's go to the tree swing and prepare to dominate PZ301. Wait, where is he now? Is he going the right way? He's going the right way. I'm still bothered by the fact that he did beat me that one time. He knocked me out to the point where I can't even speak English anymore. That is cray. Oh, here it is. Here's the swing. There it is. Right here. Let me find a good hiding spot. I'll hide right here. There he is. There he is. towards the swing. Yes, it's right there. There's the swing. He's probably looking for me right now. Oh, he still has his phone.
I've arrived at the destination.
Wait.
Oh, yeah.
What the heck? There's 2 hackers now?
You remember? You look all bent out to shape. What happened?
Why is there 2 hackers? I thought there's only one. 301 was the only one following me. Did he call for backup? 2's a little tough. Usually, Chad or Daniel is here with me to help me out, but I'm only by myself.
A road swing.
Oh gosh, what are they doing? Wait, are they swinging on that tree? Oh my gosh. Oh! He just hit him with the tree branch. Those hackers are a bunch of idiots. If I can't defeat them physically, I can always outsmart them. Gosh, who are these hackers? Larry, Mo, and Harry? Jeez. Okay, now I'm a little worried. Whenever I'm afraid, I think about what it really means to be a true spy ninja. And one of the virtues of being a true spy ninja is brave. And that's what I need to be right now, is brave. I can't be afraid. PZ301, I'm here.
Be quiet, just like you promised.
Yes, as a spy ninja, we keep our word. And what is going on here?
Look at the fight of this little girl.
Okay, I know Project Zoracle members are weak and kind of idiots, but I did not realize they sent 2 big, huge hackers to defeat little old me. I'm like just a little tiny little girl, and you need 2 people to defeat me? This is a joke. You guys are so weak.
No, we stand. I will film your defeat.
No, get
on
away
this
from
camera.
me. I do not trust you. Stand back. I'm going to put the camera down. Do not even come close to me. You can get the camera. I'm watching you.
Are you ready for your rematch, Qwaint?
Yes! This time, you're the one who won't remember to speak English. Let's go! Make like a tree and leave! Give me the camera! Oh my gosh! Wait, there's a hacker stabbed to me! Oh my gosh! Oh, I'm gonna go under this tree! Sucker, he's upside down! I think we're good, guys. I think we're good. Oh, wait, phone call. It's Daniel. Daniel?
V, we're in trouble.
You're in trouble? Okay, send me your location and I'll be right there. Okay.
All right, sending now. See you soon.
Okay, see you soon. All right, guys, Dan, you need my help, so I'm on my way. Let's go.
Not so fast, Qwaint.
301. I thought I defeated you already.
I never said that was out. I'm ready to finish this, Qwaint.
Oh man, you're still speaking English? Let's go. Better luck next time, PZ301. PZ301, drop this. Whatever it is, I'm collecting it for evidence. I picked up this thing right here. I'm not sure what it is. This looks like a piece of stick, but there's a bunch of hacker language on it. I'm not quite sure what it is. I need you spy ninjas to take out your decoder wheel and decode this for me because I am on my way to meet up with Daniel and PZ4. Make sure to leave a comment below or leave a message on my Instagram if you solve what this thing says. All right, so make sure to subscribe to me, to Chad, Daniel, and PZ4, and check out this video. And I will see you next time. Kickball!